Hello friends, this is a lecture of class 10 subject maths exercise 5.2. Today we will solve our example of exercise 5.2. So our example 5th is the statement is determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Means we have given these two terms A3 and A7 and we have to find out the determine of the AP by using these two forms. Clear? Now A3 means that is A plus 2D which is equal to 5 and seventh term means A plus 6D is equal to 9. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Now we have to find out the value of A and D from these two equations. Here you can use any methods like by elimination method or the substitution method. You can find A and D from these two equations. Clear? When you will solve it, you will get the result A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 1. मीन्स जब आप उन दो इक्वेशन को सोल्व करोगे तो A की वैल्यू आपको 3 मिलेगी और D की वैल्यू आपके पास 1 आ जाएगी. एंड you know that A is our first term and the D is the common difference. Clear? So our AP will become that is 3. Here D is 1, so add 1 in these terms, will get the result 4. Now add 1 this 5, add 1 this 6, add 1 this 7. So this is our AP form. Clear? Now the next question is check whether 301 is a term of list of the numbers 5, 11, 17 and 23. मीन्स एक नंबर हमारे पास 301 दे रखा है. क्या ये जो नंबर है हमारे पास वो इस लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स का कोई टर्म है या नहीं है, हमने ये बताना है. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट that the given list of the numbers is in AP or not. For this we have to find out the value of D. Clear? So that is A2 minus A1, that is 11 minus 5, that is 6. Similarly A3 minus A2 also 6 and A4 minus A3 will also 6. So here is the common difference is 6. So the given list of the numbers is in AP form. Clear? Now we have to check now 301 is a term of this AP form. For this we have to applying the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Clear? Here AN is 301 and the A is first term which is 5. Clear? And the D is 6. Clear? And N terms and the value of N which we have to find it. Clear? When you will put all these three values you will get the result N is equal to 151 divided by 3. That is 151 by 3. It means this is the fraction form, but N is not in the fraction form. N should be in the positive integer like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So we can say that 301 is not of the given list of the numbers. मीन्स जो लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स हमें दिया गया है उसमें 301 का कोई भी नंबर ऐसा नहीं होगा. क्लियर? दैट्स आवर आंसर. नाउ एग्जांपल 7 हाउ मैनी 2 डिजिट्स नंबर आर डिविजिबल बाय 3. मीन्स ऐसे कौन सी 2 डिजिट्स वाले नंबर हैं जो 3 से डिवाइड होते हैं. क्लियर? यू हैव टू रिमेंबर हियर 2 डिजिट नंबर. सो 2 डिजिट नंबर मीन्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 12, 15, 18 and that is 99. Clear? So these numbers we have to find out how many these numbers are. Here is a one important note for you. Most of the students start from like 3, 6, 9, 12 like and so on. We know that 3 is divisible by 3, 6 is also, 9 is also, but these are the single digits, but in the statements we have to given the 2 digit number, so it will start from the 12. Clear? So our list of numbers will become like 12, 15, 18 and 99. So this is an AP form because the common difference is that is same, that is 3, 3 and 3, so on. Clear? Now here A is equal to 12 and D is equal to 3 and AN which is the last term, that is the 99. So you have to put all these value in this equation. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. When you will put an, a and d, you will get the result n, and it will become n is equal to 30. It means there are 30 terms which are 2-digit number and the divisible by 3. That's our answer. Clear? Now today you have to solve the sums from 4 to 9 of exercise 5.2 in Fair Notebook. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.